Good morning, everyone. Now, today's topic of presentation is importance of SHRM. So, the first one is helps the firm in achieving cost-effective engagement of labor. So, here the SHRM helps the firm in achieving the cost-effective engagement of labor as a part of competitive advantage initiative. What is meant by competitive advantage initiative? For example, if the company is maintaining the skilled workforce. Skilled workforce means if the work they are performing is very good, the skills is good, strength of the company is good. So as a company, if you are considering the skill workforce itself distinguishing one company from the other company as a competitor. So in this case, HHRM provides the labor which are working in the company as a competitive advantage initiative. This is the first one. Second one is enables the firm to meet changing needs. Today, the customers who are in the market is keeps on changing their needs because the needs are not statutory. Okay, it is a dynamic type of things. According to the changes which are existing in the market, the SHRM is very much helpful to the organization or a firm to meeting those changing needs because it is a strategic as well as a human resource firm. So it is very much capable of motivating or training the employees in such a position that the employees has to work according to the needs of the customer. Okay, this is the second one. Third one is provide clear cut goals, direction and future focus. So if the SHRM has to work means SHRM, the clear cut vision things has to be given to the SHRM, then SHRM has to be formulate the clear cut goals for the company, direction for the company, future focus for the company. So clear cut vision kani mission kani ఏదైతే top management ఉంటాయో, if you are conveying those things to the strategic human resource management department, then that department will convey those mission statements or the vision statements as the clear cut goals or the directions or the future focuses. Okay, next one, ensure optimum utilization of organizational resources. Optimum utilization means today in every company having its only a few resources, every company wants to make use of those resources in an optimum way, because if you are not using that resources in an optimum way, we are no more in the market for the next time. So here SHRM, by utilizing the manpower as well as the strategic policies in a clear way, they can make use of the resources in a optimum way. ఆ విధంగా ఉపయోగపడుతూ ఉంటుందమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఎన్హాన్సెస్ కోఆర్డినేషన్. కోఆర్డినేషన్ మీన్స్ మనకి వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నప్పుడు there are n number of functional units are there. So here strategic human resource management wants to coordinate the functional units with the top management, and at the same time if there's something is deviation from the existing thing because the performance is not good, the functional units are not performing, at the same time SHRM will intimate the functional unit that it is not up to the mark, it is up to the mark, like the way it will handle all those things. At the same time it will coordinate all functional units to the top management. Okay, that is the next one. Next one is helps in exploitation of emerging opportunities. Exploitation of emerging opportunities means, for example, there are the n number of competitors in the markets in the today's competitive world. So you are reaping the benefits in the market for the first time before the competitor exists. అంటే ఇన్ టైంలో మనం పని కంప్లీట్ చేసేసుకోవాలి. మనం మార్కెట్లో ఏదైనా ఒక ఆపర్చునిటీ వస్తే దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ హ్యాస్ టు గ్రాబ్ బిఫోర్ ద కాంపిటీటర్ ఇస్ గ్రాబింగ్ దట్ ఆపర్చునిటీ. ఎస్ ఆర్ నాట్? So that type of things to be happen with the help of SHRM, because SHRM is the one thing which is continuously monitoring or the continuously scanning the external environment. ఏదైతే ఇంటర్నల్ స్ట్రెంగ్స్ మనకు ఉన్నాయో కంపెనీకి ఉన్నాయో, those strengths has to be matching with the external opportunities, and at the same time the company's external threats, whatever the threats are there for the company from the outside external market, the SHRM is beforely predicting those threats and make a solution for those threats. So that's why here we are reaping the benefits before the competitor is entering into the market, and at the same time we are exploiting the opportunities of the competitor. వాళ్ళ opportunities అన్ని మనం గ్రాప్ చేసేసుకుంటూ ఉంటాం. Like the way the SHRM will help in the market, help in the market for an organization actually. So these are some of the important points in the case of SHRM. Okay, thank you.